I finally did it. It finally works. So, starting yesterday, I'm learning Claude, I'm learning AI, and one frustration that I have is my workouts, tracking my workouts, seeing actual progress. Because either it's some app that I've got to pay for, or it isn't built exactly how I want it, or it's a notes app that just gets tedious, editing it line by line every time, changing shit, and it doesn't keep you accountable or set goals for you of increasing the weights week by week. So I think what I'm going to build is a custom workout / progress tracking app. And I know that it's not gonna be the first one out there. And hey, there might be even better ones out there. I don't know, I haven't looked too hard. But I'm going to build something that I would actually use, that I would wanna use, and also give the opportunity to other people to just track their workouts and see progress how they actually want to see it, right? Not within someone else's rules or boundaries. So that's gonna be my first AI project. I'm gonna take that on. I'm gonna spend the next few days building it out.
I'm like probably 3 total hours into working on this, and I've gotten as far as someone creating their account, giving the AI their goal, the days of the week that they work out, the split style, and their priorities. And when I click generate my split, I'm getting an error message. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Like, I'm purely relying on the AI to just tell me, click here. Okay, I clicked here. Now click here. Okay, I clicked here.
I finally did it. It finally works. So this is what the app looks like. Obviously, it would, if it's on your phone, it'll look a little bit more aesthetic, right? Something like that. Just pretend this is on your phone. When you first create your account, name, password, the app asks you about what kind of workouts you want, what your strengths are, what your markers are, and then it generates a split for you based on your goals and where you're at right now. Obviously, if you don't like the actual, what it generates for you, you can edit it afterwards as well, which is what I wanted, right? I wanted this whole thing to be completely flexible. So this is the main home screen. This is where you actually see what your day's workout is. I made this cool little graphic. It's where you can start the workout from. At the bottom, there's also a daily checklist to which you can add goals for the day. So for example, if you want to hit 10 steps, if you want to hit your protein goal, if you want to stretch, read, sun, water, whatever, and you can also add a custom goal. There's also a streak at the very bottom, so you can see how long you've actually been consistently staying with your streak. So you hit start workout, right? So today we're doing chest day. You can see all your sets that you're actually doing, and this is where, as you're doing them, you actually track them, and you're like, okay, I did 135 for 8 reps. Okay, perfect, good. Next one, good. And you go down. This is what you're actually seeing when you're working out. And then you save and finish. I'm not gonna hit save and finish so I don't mess mine up, but you get the point. It saves, and next week when you do those exercises, they increase automatically. This is where your actual split is. So I personally wanted an individual muscle group split. You can choose push pull legs, you can do whatever you want, you can make it completely custom. But in my case, you can see my splits here. So I click on chest, and it's where I can actually edit them, right? So if I don't want to do inclined barbell bench press, I can go in here and I can search literally any exercise and I can put it in here. Or I can go and add or remove sets, or I can remove the workout in general and create a whole different exercise, right? And move it around. And then you can also just start the workout from here too. So that's how you actually edit all of them. And then there's also a little progress tab that I actually made automatically. I didn't make this, but I guess it says finish a workout with tracking and lifts. So it's actually showing you progress over time. I'm assuming it's gonna be a graph. Body weight, streaks, and then in the settings tab, I also added a little feature, I guess, if you want to change the color of what the UI actually looks like, so it's more personable. I don't know. I just wanted to add something fun, so I added that. You can make it fucking pink. But that's the app. That's exactly what I wanted on my tracker. And the thing is, if someone else wants something different out of it, they can still do it because of how flexible it is. So that is officially my first ever AI project completed.